Assalamualaikum viewers, and welcome to another video of the Traveling Bhuiyans. Today this video is going to show you the places to visit in New York to watch fall foliage with your family. So watch till the end to see where you can enjoy and have a very good time watching the beautiful colors that fall brings. New York upstate is full of nature and colors, and you will surely enjoy it. So we booked an Airbnb at Valentine Pond. It was a very nice location. The Airbnb was a cottage that you can share with family. The location of the Airbnb by the pond was a major plus for this area, and the Airbnb also had life jackets and kayaks and boats that you can actually use to row or boat on the pond. It's a very fun activity that you can do with your friends, and I would highly recommend it since we also did it and had lots of fun. And you can see it in the video itself. We enjoyed the view immensely. The cliffside coaster gives you a very beautiful view of the surrounding mountains and the fall colors you can see on them. To ride on the cliffside coaster, you have to book online. While you're waiting for your cliffside coaster ride, you can also enjoy inside the experience center. You will have many other activities to do inside, such as wall climbing, after the stop at cliffside coasters, we are off to our next destination, which is Lake Placid. And history of the Olympians themselves who took part in 1980s Winter Olympics hosted by New York at Lake Placid. As you can see, the background is so colorful and it will make you want to take photos and be in them. Hopefully you liked this short video of showing you some of the beautiful places in New York for fall foliage. Till next time, it's a goodbye, but we ended the night with some bonfire and marshmallows, and I would highly recommend you do as well. Enjoy. কমিটি এখন বনফায়ার হচ্ছে আর এখন আমরা মার্শমেলো খেয়ে এনজয় করব।
একটা এরকম করে একটা বুমেরাং করে টিস, হ্যাঁ একটা বুমেরাং
বুমেরাং
টিস টিস এরকম করে